Hello there, friends. Here I am at the base of the Big Tahungus, and I'm on Oro Vista Road, ready to do my monster ride, 230 miles and some 28,000 feet of climbing. And just it's so intimidating to look at those mountain hills. I'll be all by myself in the next 6 hours, and just how my partner be the moon, so nothing else. It's just complete darkness. Oh well, I'd better hit the road. Next stop, Red Box. So here I am at Red Box, mile mark 31. I've already climbed 4,800 feet. Still feeling good. Just taking a little break and another Cliff Bar. Temperature 54, and just beautiful. So quiet out here, and the moon is so beautiful too. And wow, I'm so glad I'm out here. Oh, yep. It's pretty much dark. Woo! Woo! Amazing! Oh well, I'm here at the gate on the way up to Dawson Saddle, but it's 5:10 in the morning, and I had a blast. I mean, I so enjoyed this ride completely, all by myself. No traffic at all. Not even a single car had passed me, and just so quiet. It's incredible. This is unbelievable. I have to do it again though. I wish somebody else was with me, but that's alright. Probably I don't have any time to get up there because I have to meet with the people at 7:30 in Canton Park, and I still got 40 miles, so probably on the way back after GMR and the ski lifts, if I have legs enough. I don't know yet. It's such a journey. It's surreal. Yep. No wind, no nothing. Just quiet, silence. Completely out of civilization. Sleeping is such a waste of time. So much better to ride your bike. Alright, see you next stop.
By the time you get there. It might be, but it's not likely. Stefan, you gonna do the lift?
Oh, I'm gonna do the lift, so yeah.
Stefan? He's too tired to know what he's saying. No, he knows what he's saying. He knows exactly what he's saying.
I know, I have to do the lifts. I must do the lifts.
I may not do skills, they just think
It was such a shitty ride down 39 last week.
There's sand on those corners.
What?
Dead wind.
Oh, that, yeah.
I guess after Solvang, to me, it was not bad at all.
Yeah,
And then I had,
there's off-road things.
Oh, gorgeous day today.
Yeah.
Dry.
I'm ready to go.
To tell you the truth, I actually prefer to just go back up.
Yeah. Yeah, I was fun too.
Arriving at the Bodhi Village Lodge, and the ski lift is the last thing I want to see. Mile mark 116 and 13.8 feet of climbing. Here we go, the lodge, but I'm gonna get me a Coke first. One stroke at a time will get you there. Slow, fast, doesn't matter. Don't think of anything. Just pedal. Nothing else exists. Woo! Glendora Ridge Road. Getting close to a little Glendora Mountain Road to head back up Highway 39 up to Dawson Saddle. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but it's gonna be my final climb for today. So yeah, it's a beautiful, gorgeous day in the mountains. I already got close to 17,000 feet of climbing after 134 miles. Yeah, getting ready for the descent right here. And feeling good. Feeling still good, not sleepy. It's a great day to do a bike ride. Alright, on mile mark 153 almost, and I'm getting a bit tired and sleepy. I just met Victor and Lauren. Gave me good advice to take a nap a little bit. Probably should stop somewhere and sleep for 5-10 minutes before I proceed going up. Yeah. Still beautiful. Beautiful weather in the mountains. Oh, sorry. Yep. Alright, 20,000 feet of climbing in 158 miles. I'm on Highway 39 and yeah, it's beautiful. Still climbing and climbing. It never ends. Never climbed so much in my life in one day. This is ridiculous. Still climbing. Oh, nice to see the turn off the Crystal Lake, but I'm not going up there. No chance. No. I got nothing in my legs. But I just keep climbing, and I will have to climb more. And even if I'm done climbing, I know that I'll be climbing, and that's what I know from today. Just nothing was flat. I just climb because I'm a climber. That's what climbers do. They climb until they climb themselves to, I don't know, to what. Crystal Cafe. Yeah, Crystal Lake. Nice. It's a good thing my camera is working fine now. Okay, let's go back to work. See you soon. Okay, this is the second part of Highway 39 after Angeles Crest. Bumpy, cracked road and a lot of rocks. I gotta be careful, but the scenery is amazing here. Oh, finally I'm again all by myself, and that's good news for me. because I'm just gonna pick up some speed. Yep. Okay, just rolling on Foothill Boulevard in La Crescenta in La Cañada. It's almost 11:30 in the evening, so 24-hour bike riding, 210 miles and 25,000 feet elevation gain. Just brutal, but I've had a blast. And I'm just taking it easy right now. Anxious to get home, and home is 8 miles away. Still I need to pedal it.